Hi guys, I'm Fawn and let me show you something. So I'm babysitting these four kids and you guys probably know them. So I'm babysitting them because their mommy had to take their two other siblings, Opal and Cam, I think she said, to the hairdressers and bringing all of them would be too hectic. So I'm their babysitter for the day and their mommy left $25 and I was thinking I could take them shopping to somewhere fun. And I was thinking we could take them fidget shopping. Guys, would you want to go fidget shopping? Yes. I would love that.
Hola, will you buy fidgets?
Okay then, let's get ready to go. Okay guys, are we ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, the two youngest keep holding my hand and the two oldest keep holding each other's hand so we can go. Okay guys, we made it to the fidget store. Oh my goodness, I need to go. There's a gazillion good fidgets. Okay guys, you can all go, but make sure you stay in my sight.
Fidgets!
I did them all. Jasper, wait for me. Whoa, look at all the puppets. I see the perfect one. I need that one. It is so pretty. Fun, I need to get this one. Okay, there's enough money for you guys to both get two fidgets that you want. Yay, I'm definitely getting this one.
Whoa, this is perfect. It's blue. I need it. I'm definitely dead in this bite chain.
Oh my goodness, yay, they have fidget spinners. I want the purple. I call the purple fidget spinner.
I need this dino puppet. Definitely buying this.
Okay, you guys can pick one more fidget each, but that's it.
I like the circle puppet.
Okay, Jasper, just sit right there and you can play with the fidgets you picked.
I think I want the pop tube. I love my puppet.
All right, Matthew, you sit beside me and play with your two picks. I love them.
Oh my goodness, I really want the star puppet.
It's so pretty and pink.
Cool.
All right, Lola, you sit beside your brother and play with your two picks. Phoebe, try to hurry, honey. We gotta go soon. Your mom will be back.
So mesmerizing.
This is so hard. There's so many good fidgets. I picked it. This cube looks so cool. Cool, it turns into a cube. Okay, guys, so I've got to get these kiddos home and pay for their fidgets because I don't want to be late for their mom. So I'm going to end the video here. I don't know if her mom normally has like a special outro, so I'll just say bye.